Hi, hello. Tell me what's that? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. You and we need to, Papa. Hi, John. Good morning. Thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning, John. I need to clean the messy room. Nayos ko talaga para maliwanag. For people. Wait. Wait. Good morning. Good evening. Thank you. Good evening. Yes, good evening, John. Evening here pala. Thank you for 10 people. Thank you so much. God. Thank you. Hi, Philip Morgan. My friend. Hi, Philip Morgan. Thank you so much. Welcome to the live. Thank you, Philip. Sir Philip, Sacramento, California. Hi, Sir Philip. Merry Christmas, dude. Merry Christmas, Sir Philip. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Sir Philip. Sir Philip from Sacramento, California. Thank you, 5 people. Hi, Louis. Melzer. Good morning, beautiful Cheryl. Sir Loie, thank you for joining here. Sir Loie, how are ya? Thank you so much for joining. What are you doing? What are your plans for New Year's? The plans for New Year's, we make a suman, preparing family reunion. We make play, exchange gift, families. I plan for for a game for the kids. Luis Coronado. I came to help. Thank you, Luis. Thank you, Luis, for help. Maybe you send the gift. Super chat. Thank you. Ben Hard Vargas, thank you for joining. Thank you, Loie. 9 people, 9 likes. People. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hanapin daw ako dun sa mga ano para mamay.
Hangir?
Hangir. Thank you. Craig Smith. Hi, Craig Smith. Marco Lorena. Hola, from Colombia. Marco? From Colombia. Thank you for joining, Marco. 32 people in the house. Hi. Thank you. Cause you and I. So much for joining here. Please like. Thank you so much. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Benhar. Thank you, Benhar. Benhar de Vargas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to those who give the likes. What are you doing? Hi, Mark. I wonder, what does po mean? Po means it used for like respectful, like thank you po means you give a thanks for giving a respect. But something thank you, it means it's okay. But using po, thank you po means you are very respectful. You give a respect to the people. You give a listen, something like that. Thank you. Can I ask you po? Like something like using po is very respectful. Using po is like
Makulay puti.
yes, Hex. That's the po. We always using po because respectful words. Like thank you po, good morning po, good evening po. What is your name po? Oh my God po. Okay, thank you, Cheryl. Come on, Hegs. I even know that. Thank you. That's why. I hope you, if you talk people people using po, oh, they wonder, oh my god, this is, how you know that? Oh my god, you're so annoying. Then it's like a very respectful person. Something like, it's like you go, you raise your parents very disciplined and respectful person. Chubby chubby chuhay. Sinasabi, kating labi, think, how are you doing? I'm doing because when raining, all of this wet on the roof because when raining. That's why. Only because I asked the same question before and Cheryl told me, yeah. Thank you for asking. Using po is good to good to learn. Using po is po here is one of the powerful word. Thank you po. Salamat po. Where are you now? I'm from Philippines. I'm living in the Philippines. Oh my God po. I'm living in the Philippines. I love you. Why? Leandro Portal. Always very clean. Always, always cleaning. Always cleaning. Po is guapa and buang like wak wak, but is bahot like balot and bulad. Lol, did that make any? Oh my God! Don't. Who teach you like that? The word, that word is not good. That's bad. Who teach you, Higgs? That's bad, you know. That word is bad. You know what? That word is bad. Not to me, Higgs. Beautiful evening, Tony. That's not good. That's not, makes sense. Who teach you that, Higgs? That's not, the teacher not good, but not good words. It's bad words here. What word was? Oh my God, the word is bad. That's bad. God, Dilaw. They make them loud. Don't listen to them. Hags, what did you say? Hello, Sir Tony, my friend. Because Heg said someone po is guapa and buang like wakwak, but is baho like balot and bulad. No, what that? No, that's not good. Po is very respectful. Buang is bad word. Wakwak not good. Baho is bad. Balot and bulad. Balot is a food, but yeah, exotic food. And bulad is like dry. Go outside under the sun. It's blood. That's not. Oh, it's not like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, pigs. Do you ever rest? I rest at night. I rest. After this, I'm gonna rest. When I doing something. Thank you so much. Are you married? No, I'm not married. Never been married. Never been married. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Buang is bad word. Yeah, buang is bad word. You have more hangers than me. This clothes is my father, my nephew. Cha 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 cha. My niece. That's not mine. I have few clothes. Very few. You always working for a living. Yeah, I need to work. My God. Rodden, hi. I don't know who brought this law. That's why I said book. Or have said a different name. It was only a joke. No, boy, it's not a joke. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Boy, it's not a joke. That's not. Always using. And a very old word here. New generation as others respectful now because some not using po. If you are using po, oh wow. What a
Yes, na nagkakaon.
oh my god, why is so mean? Bro, what happened to you? Nothing. Love is your mouth, my friend. Hi, William. William. What's up, mouth? Oh, mouth. Everyone uses that word in other streams. Yeah. Po is a very respectful word. Are you okay? Just sick again, mouth. Ben Har, hello. Thank you, Mr. Mouth. Where are you from, Mr. Mouth? Hi, hello, Argao. Argao. Do the other ladies help you with house cleaning? No. This is my room, so I'm responsible to clean it. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Want to date me? Why? Who are you? Bro, you must keep your surroundings clean. It can happen again if you don't. Yeah. Mr. Mouth, yes. I will definitely try mouse. Thank you, 28 likes. Oh my god, thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much. What are you doing, guys? Me, I'm busy. Busy but doing that. Busy but doing that.
Oo naman ako na, di lang paghulog ni Bibi na.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you, eggs. It's why sad? Why sad tonight? Why sad? Wow. Thank you, 21 people. Thanks a lot. I'm jumping. See you later. Okay, Mr. Mao, thank you for joining. Here's Mr. Mao. See you next live. Thank you. Ben Hur. Hello, my friend Hanks. Later. Yeah, later. See you later. Hello, Ben from Hanks. Oh my God.
Sabi ni Papa Juwa, ang sanay ko sa Gabali na rin. Pinay kumiyat ko na kulay yan. Bra, kasama sa gabali. Ang sarag tayo. Sabi ni Papa yan sa Saday daw. Ay, di ko lang Oo nga, di dapat ano. Sino mo ba sa kaya pagkasi? Regata din lang.
Thank you, Madam. Someday I find someone who really loves me. Pangarap ko ang bigyan Thank you so much.
Pinunin mo na ako. Tapulong. Pinabuubo. Hindi na pinilinaw.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hola, hola, baby. Can you open your hair? Why? My hair. What's about my hair? Open my hair. Thank you so much for you. Sola Brazilian. Hi, Sola Brazil. Francisco. Francisco. Hello, Francisco. Really beautiful trigger. Hi, triggers.
Nagtabi ako sa...
Her. Asuka?
Doon pa talaga kanina niya namin na ayaw suka. Ano?
Ano dito ba ganyan suka? Ayan din. Daghan na dito ang suka. Hindi, ito sa lang yung sa nagkaroon. Suka? Igib mo na sa igib doon na sa inyo. Kaya di ko man ako natutuwa sa balay. Kaya daghan na yung suka doon sa ano.
Mama, itatag yan sa
Ate, di man. May suka dito.
Ayun to dito.
Doon sa may lamisa.
Yan to sa may lamisa.
It's you and I. It's you.
Anay si...
Oo, nagano niya to. Ay, bali, wala na doon. Ah, warahin daw. It's you and I. It's Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dance for a while. I'm going now. People, see you all later. Bye, Cheryl. Send them super chat and people. Cheryl needs the help for food and dogs. Thank you so much, John. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you so much for being a good, super good friend of me here. Thanks a lot. Lopez, Fala Portuguese, Francisco, Mr. Valdez, Mr. Valdez, hindi kita kailangan dito. Sorry. Can you do belly dance? No? I can't do dance. And oh my God, ang dami naman ano dito. Maraming ano, oh my God. Taller, yan. Hello, Jose. Hi, Jose. What do you do? Still cleaning home. Music bank. Doon na ulit lang ka nakalive. Do crop shirt. Ilang taon ka na po kayo? 40 years old. I'm 40 years old po. Alves. Mr. Alves. Hindi ka kawalan dito. Sorry. Sorry po. I'm not entertaining that kind of person. Sorry. Sayang ng oras ko. Wala naman ako makapala sa'yo. Sa mga nagbabastos. Oh, ang bilis lang naman mag-vlog. So, okay lang. Wala naman tayong magawa. So, may magagawa ako. Kung kayo walang magawa at manggugulo kayo dito, ako may magagawa ako. Kaya akong umalis. Channel ko to. Kaya ko kayo hindi makita dito. Ayoko kayo makita dito. Hindi naman kayo kailangan dito. Ba't nandito kayo? Tapos manariritnira kayo. Tapos hindi naman kayo perfecto. 40 lang na po pala kayo. Akala ko po nasa 20 taon lang po. Oo. 40 na. Turning 41. Hi. Isa pa to si Ami Dora. Isa pa to si Ami D. Parang wala itong magulang. Para kang walang pinanggalingan. Para kayong mga walang pinanggalingan. Mr. Valdez, parang hindi ka galing sa nanay mo. Saan ka galing? Sa baboy? Hindi tao? Hindi tao ang nanay mo? Ba't ganyan ka magsalita? Wala kang pinanggalingan, nanay? Walang sa aruga? Hayop ba? Maglang mo? Asal hayop? Walang respeto sa babae. Sa hayop ka ba nang galing? Happy Sunday po, Gladys Samonte. Mr. Marcos, hi Sir Marcos. Marcos Rude, thank you so much. Fudge bags. Fudge dolls. Edgar Barcelo Felho from Brazil. Hi from Brazil, Edgar. Marcos Roth, welcome back. Aldrin Richard, wow. Hindi ako available, sorry. Brown Brox, hi Brown Brox. I'm fine. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Thank you, Sir Marcos. Chupichu. 2 Thumbs TV. Hi, 2 Thumbs TV. Ma'am, pag-greet ng pinsan ko. Happy birthday sa pinsan mo, Chino. Parang ano yan Parang, alam mo, 2 Thumbs TV, parang nabasa ko na yung message mo Parang kambal siya Sa susunod na comment mo, kambal sila. Kasi, matatamaan ka. Matatamaan na. Happy to see you. Thank you, Marcos Alves. Fredo Leon Soloaga. Hola, hermosa saludos desde Medellín, Colombia, Suramérica. Hi. Francisco Salva. Gusto ko dancer. Oh my god, like Carlos Martinez. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Marcos, how is your singing? How's your night? Uh, tonight is, I think, it's a good night. Uh, what? Yeah, early there, 6:17 a.m. here. Morning there, night here. What time here? 7:18 in the evening here. Adorable smile. What time is there? 7:15 in the night. In the evening. Sayang, hindi tayo napag-abot 40 na po kayo. 25 na po ako. Hindi po pala tayo nagkakalayo ng salad ng edad. Double tap screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin Laporte. Thank you so much. Ben Har, De Vargas, there's Cheryl. The comments in Portuguese and Spanish are very good. Thank you, Ben Har, De Vargas. Hi, Colin Maharaj 50. Hi, Colin. Hello, Arigao. Oyamachamo. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, Martin Laporte. Marcos, that's right. You're 13 hours ahead of me. Yeah, 13 hours. Hello, GGGGHHP. Pitufa, are you African American? No, I'm Filipina. I'm from Asia. Philippines, Filipina. You like your channel. Thank you, Edgar Barcelo Calvo. Thank you so much. Where do you live there? Bicol Province, Philippines. From Bicol. Bicolana. My best friend is in the Philippines right now. Wow. Really? It's in the Philippines. Mr. Ross Baker. Thank you for the likes, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Martin Laforte. Tribal Jones, what province are you in? Hi, Sir Tribal. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Sir Tribal. Tribal. In the city? No, not the city. Do you other visit do you visit other live stream? No, before I visit but now I'm busy, no time to visit other channel. Maybe if I'm too much busy, I'm busy. If I have a free time, I have spend time here at home and at work. Too much busy to visit other lives, but try sometimes. He met a girl over there. She came out here to Ohio last summer and I got to meet her. Wow. This jealousy mod still has me in timeout. Huh? Kenny? Are you single? No, I'm not. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. Thank you. 26 people in the house. Marcos Vega. How's your day like? It's like a good day. It's like an ordinary day, but today is a Sunday, so different. The different the regular day. The reason why I ask is because I'm a moderator on 120 channels for Philippines. Really? Wow, Martin Laforte. Wow, that's great. Good to hear that to you. Can you model with your hair? Oh my god, I don't know I don't know. I'm not a model. He put me in timeout for 24 hours for just giving a suggestion. What is your suggestion, Kenny? I don't know what happened. Cheryl is my girlfriend. Oh my god, Marcus. He's kidding me. Hi there, drop in to say hello from Sydney, Australia. Hi, Jason Gus Hunter from Australia. Thank you so much. Marcus. Hey, Marcus. Thank you, people. 22, 37 likes. What did you do today? Today, many things to do today. Como handle the Chiquito. Marcos, in your point, can't call it. I said mad are not to get angry, but try to relax the conversation and help your room grow up. Thank you, Kenny. Maybe the mod misunderstand your suggestion. The mod trigger. Supper lady. Supper lady. Hello, my friend Martin Laporte. Wow. What a great Zora thing. Sure thing. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday I'm working. Oh, many things to do. What did you do, yeah? Thank you, Chris. Lauren. Thank you, like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chris. Welcome. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin Laforte. Thanks a lot. Not sure what you're talking about, Ken. Yeah. Hi, Chris. Martin Laforte. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. May ko ano doon, may 7 doon.
Ano,
Mura man. Doon na, kaya naka-live ako. Did you enjoy? Yeah, I enjoyed the Christmas. Hello, Martin. It was that hot something mud. What? Did you enjoy your Christmas? Hello, Martin. Pretty girl. Tom Beg. How are you? I'm fine. He just went quizzing chat earlier. Really? Guys, please like, subscribe, support, and share this channel. Thank you, Benhard de Vargas. Thank you so much. How you stayed so pretty? Thank you, Martin. Pa-shoutout po sa aming team, Bikers na Padjak All. Hi! Shoutout sa team Bikers na Padjak All. Shoutout from GFC 2151. Saga, saan kayo? Super chat, super stickers, and membership are also available, everyone. Thank you so much, Martin Laforte. Love your hair. Thank you. Gomez. Thank you so much, Gomez Fernando. Thanks so much. Inharangir ko kayo ruluson niya mga bado mga nakabutang didihaw. Kaya nagtutulog kayo dito. Inharangir ko. Kaya kung magkaraot sayang.
Inurukan mo?
Inurukan ko kayo baga. Kaya may luho nga yan iniho. Narangir ko. Thank you so much, 9 people in the house. God bless. God bless us. I'm good, bro. Chill, guys. Can it's okay. I said just relax, guy. And hers said you lost her. Should be giving super chat. Oh my god. Maybe sorry for what happened in the last live. So maybe need to be understanding. So maybe just misunderstand. So I'm asking for the ano ba yung pasensya. I don't know how to say it in English. Sorry. My English is not good. It's not I'm not speak English very well. Poor English. Poor English. Malamang ang sinasabing nakakalaban. So guys, thank you so much. Have you ever dated a foreigner? Not yet, but I meet here before. I meet online. I meet online like this. I meet here, but not yet in person. Dating, not yet. Not yet happened. Not yet happened dating foreigner. But I want to date him before. But not yet dating. But I want to date. Oh my god, I can't explain. Sorry. Kailangan mo nang malaman sinasabi. One day, bomb day. Run Brax. Why not? One day. Martin Loparty, thank you so much. Oh my god, thank you so much, Martin. Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, Cheryl. David. Thank you so much, Martin. Albert Romero. Please na. Please na. Please na. Please na. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. What language do you speak? Bicol, Tagalog, English. Hello, Princess. I said just relax, and said, oh my god. Sorry, guys. Super chat, super stickers, memberships, um, and membership. Also, PayPal is available, everyone. Thank you so much, Martin. When you find partner boyfriend, will you stop doing live? No, I'm doing live because if I find a partner, if even if he can give me a good life, I always doing live because I can help him. Yes, I can help him. Like we build our dreams together. I have to get going, Shrug, to talk to you soon. Thank you, Marcus. I have to get going. Thank you. I speak English and emoji hi. You see, I'm so smart, David. That it that will be me and Charles. Oh my God, lol, Marcus. Doing exercise to firm up your. Oh my God. 23 people in the house. Thank you so much. Bye, Cheryl. Have a good night. Bye bye, Marcus. Hello, Roman. Hi, Roman. Ron Braggs. We go to Jollibee or somewhere fancy on New Year's. Or dry fish, dinner at home. Okay. Sounds like the kids are playing basketball or soccer. Yeah, the kids are playing basketball outside. That's why. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Martin Laporte. Thanks so much. Joselito Ferreira, bon dia, tudo bem? Thank you. Divanan. Divanan. Stand up, please. Why? Why should I stand? Why should I stand? But your wish is my command. Kailangan mong malaman na sinasabi ng nakakapanabi. And daw sinasabi not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Era daw ako. Sino may sabi? Hindi dapat. Bye. Thank you. I like when you turn sideways and squat. You got backs. Thank you guys. Posimuelo. Thank you. Jose Antonio, thank you so much for joining here again. Thank you, Ben Hardy Vargas. Thank you so much, guys. How much monthly allowance which gives you his Filipino girlfriend? Monthly allowance? I don't know. I think not a monthly, but weekly. Sure thing. If monthly, it's good for monthly. Curtis Heaven likes things a lot. Cool looks like you come up with my chest and height. Divan send super chat, she will stand up. You can send super chat, guys. Don't be shy. Share your blessings. My God. Thank you so much. Love your natural beauty and your eyes are hypnotizing. Hypnotizing? Almost 50 likes. Yeah, thank you so much for the likes. My God. 50 likes. Come on. Double tap your skin and subscribe everyone. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Lone Wolf. You look like a movie star or model, no? Simon. Hi, Simon. I'm not on. I'm just an ordinary woman here in the province of. It's 20k monthly or good allowance to give a Filipino girlfriend. Yeah, it's good. Good for Filipino. Monthly, 20k, it's good. Monthly. Here on the province is good, but in Manila, expensive living in Manila. Very expensive. Pedro, and the expensive living in the city, I mean, not only in Manila. I am from America. Hi, Simon from America. Thank you for joining. Love your natural beauty. Thank you so much. Benhar, guys, please like and subscribe, support his channel, share his channel. Thank you so much, Benhar de Vegas. Thank you, Martin. You are very beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, 52 likes in the house. Oh my God. 52 likes now. Thanks so much. Goodness. Gabriel! Oh, Martin. Thank you, Martin. I'm from America, but live in Philippines. John Paul, your time out for a minute. You can talk like that on here. Thank you, Martin. Who the heck? I am going to share channel with Lou. Love you guys. Oh, thank you, David. Where are you from, David? Thank you so much, David. Try not to spam so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Are you at work now? No, I'm at my home, my room. I'm sorry, I didn't mean nothing by it. Thank you, John Paul. I am thinking about visiting Cebu Mactan next month instead of returning to Thailand. Wow, shopping. That's good. What city and state are you in now? I'm I'm living in the Philippines. Bicol. I'm living in the Philippines, Bicol province, Philippines. 25 people in the house. Thanks so much. What's yep. That way. 21 people, 53 likes. Oh my gosh, shooting. Have you ever visited Thailand? Not going in Thailand ever, even in the other country, not yet visited. Are you married? No, I never been married. Never been married. I'm not. Never been married. I was in another lady's channel yesterday from the Philippines, and she had 17 videos, 17,000 videos. I couldn't believe it. What do you find time right now? Oh my god, 17,000 videos? Maybe views or videos. It is video or views. What do you mean, Mark? Views or video? It's real difficult. 17 videos. Oh my god, 17k videos. Where's your dream vacation within the Philippines? When? I don't know. I want to go to Baguio, but since kid, my dream, I want to go to Baguio, but not yet happened. Never happened. I'm 40 years old now, but I'm not yet going in Baguio here in the Philippines. So sad. Wait. Hmm? Oh, 35 people. When 17,000, not 17. 17,000, not 17 shorts. Shorts. 17 videos, but she's not doing anything, right? She doesn't have a family. She's nothing like you, totally different. Just sitting around you, I'm amazed you have over 1,000 videos. Oh my god. Amazing. What? Benhar de Vargas. What do you think about David? Sir, let me know your opinion. I follow him in timeout. Hi Biglan. Hello Guapa Cheryl. Hi Biglan. Thank you so much. Damn, let me be completely honest. You don't look like 40. I would have guessed your age in 20. Oh my god, really? I look 20? Thank you so much. I'm already, 40 years old. Turning 41 this February. Ricky. Martin, you just keep time outing people. You ruin her channel, huh? I will visit Boracay, Palawan, and Siargao if I decided to travel the Philippines. Oh wow, that's great. Dada, Coron, Palawan. Yes. Black 2080. I'm 40 today. I feel 50. Yes, sign up aging. Ricky, what are you talking about? Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Hegs. Martin Hegs. You look very young. Thank you, Barry Gonzalez. People should be rewarded for their hard work. Don't you think? Yes, I agree with you, Mark. Martin. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are available, everyone. Tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you, Beglan. Hegs, get alive. Ricky. David, don't play. Ricky, get alive. How are you, Hegs? From Martin. I probably hire you as my tour guide. Sure, why not? Sure thing. It depends on how much salary I get. How much you pay. Because I'm not free. My service is not free. Oh my god. I would enjoy take care of you. Wow. Sir Martin, my opinion is the same as yours. Wow. Thank you guys. Doing all right, Martin. How are you? Ricky, don't be so grouchy. I'm in love with you. David. Hi, David. Cheryl. Thank you, Big Lon. I'm doing excellent, bro. Glad to hear you're doing okay. I appreciate that, Martin. How much is your daily salary? I think because you are special guest, maybe high, you need to pay more. You need to pay more. High salary. My salary here is cheap, very cheap. That's why I need to. There are apps that you can advertise as a tour guide. There are apps that you can advertise as a tour guide. I'm looking for that. Sure thing. Yes, come here. Half Century Outdoors. Half Century Outdoors. $5,099. What? $5,099? What is that? What does mean? Malamig. Nag-live ako.
The live.
Yeah. going live. Kaya okay naka-live si Tita Mami.
Kuya, may ito.
Uy, oh, ay nako. Day salary. Bala ka, di rin naman nakakaintindi. Ay nako. Why foreigners have to pay foreigner tax? No. No, sorry, no, not like that. No, it's not like that. No foreigner tax. My day salary, how much the day? My monthly. Gas, Ashling! Ayaw!
Yummy at
May 200 pesos.
Ikaw, tayo basta rin.
My salary, 200 pesos. It's a dollar, $4. $4. That's why I need to work, hard work. Need to hard work. When you pull your hair back, you look very young. Really? I'm always pull like this. Really? Only yes, no, daily for dollar daily. If you can send the super chat, it helps me a lot. I will double your salary. Oh, thank you. Really? Wow. That's not fair. That's not fair. Thank you, 56. Thank you, 56. What do you call this? Likes. That's not fair. I earn close to $10 per day. Wow, $10 per day. How's your evening show going, Cheryl? Everything is fine. Aray ko. Everything is good. What the? Wow. Wow, $10 per day. I want that. You see the sabi, kakating labi. Why is it so noisy? Yeah, noisy here. We have a lot of family. We have a big family. Thank you, 17 people in the live. In the house. Thank you, guys. Where do you live, live band? Yes, sir. Everything okay. I get along with them both. Si bellissima Angela. What? Can I ask how old are you? Half century outdoors. I'm 40 years old. 40. Yeah, I'm starting now. Guess I need to put more work to upgrade. Yeah, that's great. That's great for you. Hello, Anjali. Why is so noisy? Yes, my niece. Noisy. What time is it for you, Hex? My time is 7 a.m. You're never went to bed yet. The good ones don't really advertise the money. They go by the reviews better service. Yeah. Oh my god, Martin! What? Who? Send. Half century. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. Super chat. God bless you. Good ones. Okay. You have the job. I have a job now. Daily salary plus paid travels. Oh my god. I love it. paid pod, free pods. Coffee pods. Martin at 7 a.m. here too. Double tap the screen and subscribe anyone. Thank you so much. I slept a few hours. All your clothes are washed by hands. Yeah, I wash the hands. I have no washing machine. If anyone sponsorship buying a washing machine, thank you. An advance. Rod them. Hello. Hags, we got. At the same time, I tried to go bed, but I couldn't sleep. My girl is going to her apartment with her girlfriend. Oh, well. My time here is 8:59 in the morning. Servant. 2 hours more than me, but as we back up 1 hour. Simplicissimus. Yes, sir. Everything okay. I get along with them. Thank you, guys. Thank you for asking, bro. That's awesome, Martin. Hey, anytime, Martin. From Hex. The reason why she has a little apartment is to be able to have her check at the end of the month. Oh, okay. My friend, I live in Brazil. I'm from USA. Show Kelly from USA. Nice to meet you here, Show Kelly. She needs an address. Thank you, Half Century Outdoors. Thank you so much. Yes, I understand, Martin. I'm 41. Thank you, Show Kelly. I'm 40 years old. Half. Hello po, Pinot TV. Israel Miller. Half cent. You gotta rise. You gotta raise. Yeah, you gotta rise. Thank you so much. Tara mo nang malaman kung yung sinasabi. Kakatinglapi. Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot. Sixteen people. Alright. Almost 60 likes. Oh yes, almost 60 likes. Thank you so much. Double tap your screen and subscribe everyone. Thank you Martin. Hola Princesa, how my sus? I like your short, they are cute. Thank you. Really, thank you so much. Oh, 60 likes. Oh my god. 60 likes. See what's happening. 61 likes already now. Civilissima.
Bye-bye.
Lubos mo na nga rin ito kanina. Oh, yan, tulad muna. Sarap ano? Buhay lang ha. Bigla. Pwede mo lang kayo. Utang ko na lang dito. Sabihin na yan. Ha? Ha? Sige na lang. Ikaw ito.
Yes, almost done. Oh my god, 35 people here now. Yes! Ay, kulay. Makalat, sorry makalat. Thank you. Oh my God, Mark. Why? Oh my God. Good morning to you from yours. Hi, Brian. Welcome back, Brian. 60 likes, 69 likes. Thank you so much, 30 people in the house. Eliano from Brazil. Carlos Lopez, you are Beautiful woman in nice natural way. Thank you. Hi, good evening. Good morning to you. Hermosa Mohair. Don't try and move that by yourself. Why? Oh my god, that's too heavy for you to be lifting. Don't hurt yourself. Thank you, Eric. Ron Brats. How was your day? My day is good day. Double tap your screen to like, comment, subscribe, support and share this channel. Thank you so much, Benhar. Good morning to you from USA, Brian. Thank you, Brian. Delta Wagara. Hi, kids, Keto. Thank you so much. Morning from Canada. Hi, Matthew from Canada. When you're real, you don't have to entertain. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rowena Pichon. How is your day going? Good day. Nice day going. Exciting day every day. Thank you so much. 57 people.
Father, ano na mo? Pinuntahan yan ito.
Ay, nasiraman sa blue iba.
Kalian ng iba. Ano na lang, Father, oh. Ayan, ang tunda. Ang gulay. Ano na mo? Tuli. Ha? Tuli.
Thank you. I saw your message when I woke up. Thank you. Jump off. Choco mocho. Naman, yung sinasabi, nakikitinabi, di naman totoo.
Okay, malungkot na ako. Ayun na duwa. Dili kami na ni. Kami na nga ni. Ako na. Ay, susok ko bang ako. Hala, ate, ako.
Ilan mo si Beth? Sige, sige, pag-abot. Wala, Moses. Maliyahon. Sabihan ko pag-abot.
70 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Kasi tayo mo din si babalik ka? Lagi ka ba, Ashley, magkamanos sa Ibela.
That's nice.
Matipid yan, mami.
Oh, parang maliwalas. Thank you. Oh my God. What's happening? Double tap your screen, like, comment, subscribe, support, and share the channel. Thank you for people in the house. 72 likes. Thank you so much.
Ate kasi kunwari yaden hagdanan naman na.
Ha?
Ate kasi kunwari yaden hagdanan naman. Yaden hagdanan naman.
Ako lang magyapon ulit.
Mga sinasabing
Okay lang ha.
yes. Good. Kuya Dre, hi Kuya Dre. Welcome back, Kuya Dre. Hello. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Hi, Francis Wait.
One more. Siya na lang ang mami na to kay siya naghatag sa ato.
Bado, ano, bakit ang sabaw?
Hello. Oh my God.
Mami, Katina, ate. Sino man mama mo? Mami, Katina,
Yan na, ay, lahat ng pagkaritos ng katin. Basta may kapabigatin mo sa likod, ha?
Nagasi na sa pen, nagkakatilape. Di naman totoo. Then, how was your day, Mom? My day is good day. Thank you, 73 likes. God bless.
Yan na. Sabi nga, sabi.
All the things. Bakit? What happened, Babang? Bonjour, Mama. Hi, Mama. Lare Ayaton. Lare Ayaton. Hello. What do you think about a man with a nice and oh my God.
Palo ka, mama?
No. I don't care about what inch do you have. Larry. I don't care. I don't care. I don't want to waste my time. Can heart the progress. Hey, 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 hey. So many people. So many billion people running around the Osvaldo Alonso, Osvaldo Alonso. Bang, bang! Bang! Bye-bye! Pahingi ako, bye-bye! Bye!
Baik ya.
Kuha na, dali na, kuha na.
Pagkain.
Bondi Munch. Hi na. Ano, nakalimutan ko. Ayun doon sa taas sa dahon. Mula ko rin sa. Mamaya na, kainin ko pa. Kailangan ko malaman. Bom dia, prinsesa. Gab! Gabriel? Gab? Alam ko daw mo na rin.
Hanap pa na.
Hanap pa daw doon. Panalimot ako. Patong ko lang ito doon. Nalimot ko. Ay, pag ano ako nagkaroon. Nalimot ako. Sinukuha lang kasi. Hi, Philip Morgan. Sugandera Marcelan.
Sino yan? Pilit ka ba, babay? Napilit ka ba? Sige naman na. Bawasan ka muna ng ano mo. Ha? Eh, hindi na ang labas mo.
Wala na yun. Ayun na pag ano ka. Harapan mo na ito. Ano dito.
Tama ka lang. Ang ulo mo, okay lang yan? O, patungan ka. Tulungan mo. O, patungan ka diya. Sige lang. Itaas o. Ganyan. Makulog pag-yaman ng sili mo? Ito itong tawag talaga bago magkalapso na namin. Ang bulong. Kalagyan ng kasalapan ng bulong.
Thank you so much.
Yati. Ano ako dati yun?
Ang kulay blue. Oh my God, 76 people. Give the likes. Pinatong ko lang dito. Dito matandaan dito.
Iya.
Mula doon. Doc Makay. Cheryl Musta. Okay lang po, Doc Makay. Doc Makay, gorgeous woman. Thank you, Chad Nolenberg. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. May pajamas sa Ems. May pajamas. Pajamas? Doc Makay. Pajamas. No pajamas. "31 people. Are you finally sitting down?" Yeah, finally sitting down. Mura dun sa mga driver. Parang na ano kaya tayo. Parang mo dun sa may bag. Ayun, soon kay para sa Pasko. Ay, sa nyo yan. Pero mo sa bag, bali, binutang ko dun sa bag na blue, nun sa violet. Yeah. Crushy Katria. Do you know that commercial from America about the Energizer Bunny? No? I don't know about that. I don't know about it. Hi. Hi, daw. Ibutang mo dito, sabit mo. Naghatag pa na ako kang kasi. Tapos, pinatong ko.
Hindi mo na batok.
Pagyan lang. Ayun, ano yung sana? Ay, pa. So tired. KJ has Mark been behaving? Yeah, maybe he's behaving now.
Bibigyan pa kayo.
Sa labas.
Sige, madadala. Thank you so much, guys. I need to end the live because I need to eat dinner. I need to rest. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Mark. Thank you. Ben Hardebergas. Thank you so much. What else? Martin Laporte. Thanks a lot. Thank you, John. Ben Harl. Thank you, Eric. What else? Yvonne. Brian. Thank you. So many Bram Brax. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends here. Thank you so much. Hope you join the next live. Need to rest and at dinner. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye-bye.